12-day Sri Lanka highlights: culture, nature, wildlife and beaches. This 12-day itinerary provides a perfect blend of Sri Lanka's ancient culture, scenic beauty, wildlife safaris, and stunning beaches. It's designed to give you a well-rounded experience of the island's diverse attractions, from UNESCO World Heritage Sites to relaxing coastal getaways. Tour highlights: cultural landmarks, Sigiriya Rock Fortress, Dambulla Cave Temple, and the ancient city of Polonnaruwa. Scenic Train Ride, experience the world-famous train journey from Nuwara Eliya to Yala. Wildlife Safari, spot leopards, elephants, and exotic wildlife in Yala National Park. Beach time, relax on the pristine beaches of Mirissa and explore Galle's colonial charm. Tea country, visit the lush tea plantations in Nuwara Eliya, where you can learn about and taste the famous Ceylon tea. Contact +9 4742518715 for more information. Stay connected, bye-bye.